Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my another video. So there is a new person beside me you are seeing right now. His name is Pradeep Bormon and he's my one of the senior brother, and he's one class upper than me, and I have been a good relationship with him for the last few years, and he's also good speaker, better than me. So today I have
No, it is
got
false.
in. Why? No,
I'm not
no,
better than you.
no. Actually, you are better than me. I always see. I learn many things from him, and he practices quite much every day. So this is about him. Nothing too much more. If you really want to know more, next video I'll talk about him. So this video actually I'm going to know the basic thing how our brother, senior brother Pradeep Bormon, I started learning English. So Pradeep, bhai, how are you? First question.
Fine.
So he's very fine. So Pradeep bhai, who told you or who inspired you to learn English?
You can say when I stay.
Like when you was a student at a
Yes,
school.
when I was a student.
At a school, then there is a very English teacher. There was an English teacher.
Yes.
What is the name?
His name is Mehdi sir. I inspired from him.
The teacher inspired you to learn English.
Yes.
Wow, it's great. Like you,
when
how many years ago? How many years ago? It will be
You can say
5 years.
5 years. Yes.
Wow.
5 years.
So 5 years ago he started learning English, and still he's learning a lot of things, also practices regularly. And I'm very happy today because after getting him this area. And also I want to say something. Actually where we are staying just is one of the famous and very renowned school that is called also Rai Bahadur Senior Institution, where he spent or passed HSC exam, these institutions. So yes, I won't go into more. So Pradeep bhai, so how many hours do you practice English nowadays?
I practice minimum 2 hours regularly.
2 hours and regularly.
Yes.
What is your best time for practicing English?
You can say my best time is morning at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m.
1 hour you practice in the morning time.
Yes.
Wow, it's great. So Pradeep bhai share his a little bit story. So if I get time next time, I will try to show you or try to help you to know English learner how to start. So Pradeep bhai, do you have any question?
Yes, obviously I have a question to you that
First
how
question.
did you learn
English.
English, yes.
Wow, very nice question. Like you, I started learning English at the beginning of pandemic, like COVID-19 in 2020. Yes, I shared this my story on the YouTube channel, also Facebook page. You know about it. Yes, I watched YouTube videos. I didn't take any paid course. Totally learned watching YouTube videos, and it helped me too much. I started learning English in 2020 and spent 1 year, the whole year 2020, this whole year I spent learning English and watched a lot of video on YouTube. Also followed YouTube playlist.
Okay.
So this is any more?
Yes. It's very helpful from information from me. And also I have a question to you then.
Any more question?
Yes. Where you have inspired for learning English?
Wow, it's nice question. Yes, I would say who actually inspired me.
Yes.
One upon a time, I used to spend time with a senior brother like you. He's also in my area. So I used to also go to his house. So one upon a time, I saw he was watching a video on computer. I told you what actually you are watching. He told me I'm learning English. I said, wow, it's great. So at that time I had no idea about English. So he told me, would you like to learn? I told you, yes, I would like to. And just I started. And then gradually it happened.
Very nice.
Yeah. So do you like to any more question? Do you have any more question? Nothing?
What is the secret
of my speaking.
Yes.
Actually, there is no secret of my speaking. I first of all I learned how to speak, how to make sentence, and I try to speak with different person. Like I shared application free for talk, that is called. I talk over thousands of people on that application, online, offline. I try to speak with them, and gradually it
You
happened.
have to first of all try to speak.
Yes, speak, and you have to think everything in English. Then you can develop.
Okay. And also, if you give us some tips for like you fluently speaker, then what we have to do?
Okay, very nice question. And from my side, the answer is you have to know how to speak about a specific topic. Like you have to speak about a field, about a building, about yourself, whatever it can be. A specific topic. How long can you speak? So as much as you can, your speaking will be developed. So when you will stuck means you may stuck for vocabulary, you may stuck for structure, etc. It could be. So at that time you have to develop that side, your weakness side. You have to develop if you feel.
Yes.
Any more question or end?
Yes, and also I have a question to you, bro. I
You can.
know that you are you are answer of my all questions for improve my language, and I want to be a partner for speak
Like
in
me?
English. Yes, also.
Okay, I'm ready all of the time. I'm ready.
How you have use your time properly?
Okay. It's a tough question for me. So it is very hard to use 24 hours. From my side, I don't know everyone what is happening by them. When I get up in the morning, I make a note. What activities or what work task I will done or I will do actually. So I note on the paper, and after writing it, I will follow this and try to complete in a day. So this is the routine. I try to use my time. That's it way. I just you can say summarized way. That is I follow a short way. I follow the routine.
Okay.
You can say I follow a routine.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Especially nowadays, I like in my free time reading books and watching Hollywood movie. Hollywood, not action movie. Oscar honored movie that is silent, like very cool-minded, emotional movie. Nowadays, I'm watching.
Okay. Give us some short suggestion and give us some short tips for speaking fluently like a native speaker.
Okay, I request you don't ask any more question. This is last question because this video is getting more longer. Okay, there is no shortcut from my side. There is no shortcut to gain any skill. There is no shortcut to gain any kind of gain speaking English. So you have to follow a long time. It can be 6 months, it can be 1 year, or it can be more time to make your mouth fluent in English. Then you can easily speak in English. So I will share another video, another part with him. He will ask a lot of more question, other things, other topic, and then answer because this video is getting more longer. So goodbye from this time. I am also thirsty. I need to drink water. So thank you so much, Pradeep Borman bhai. So you spent your valuable time with me and show your face in front of my camera. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.